Replacement jump starter cable. These replacement portable mini-car jump starter cables are made for the Halo Bolt family of portable car jump starter products. Easy to use, these cables come with easy-to-follow instructions are simple to connect. These cables are compatible with any standard car battery. Excellent customer service. Halo is a global leading force that is dedicated to offering an array of consumer electronic products that are innovative, portable, and reliable. Quality design and reliability. The Halo Bolt jumper cables are made for the Halo Bolt portable chargers 57720, 58830, wireless and air. These reliable, portable jumper cables will help you make sure that your equipment is ready to go whenever an emergency strikes. These quality replacement jumper cables are compatible with any standard car battery. Excellent customer service. Halo is a global leading brand that is dedicated to offering an array of consumer electronic products that are innovative, portable, and reliable. Halo Portable, travel power bank jumper cables make an excellent replacement product, reliable and convenient to make sure your products are always working and ready. Package includes EC5 connector and replacement jumper cables and clips. Top reviews from the United States. My Halo. Package delivered to wrong address. I still received it. One apartment over. I picked it up from next door. I look at it and my name was on it, so I took it. Everything was excellent. Thank you very much.